Hello, holy moly guys. Today we are going at Cherrapunji guys. This vlog 8.0 guys. We're going live now. Waterfall happening guys. These see boring faces. Just sitting. Please guys, comment guys.
No breakfast happened.
This is simple driver driving. The doctors. We got a driver. Okay, see you at the other side. Hello once again guys. We have reached the other side. We are showing you the other side. This other side, very beautiful road. Safa road. Avinash, good feeling. Driving, good feeling. Holy moly guys, this is the vlog 10.0. We at way sawdong fall guys. Guys, you have to say anything guys?
No. Let's enjoy.
Oh. Vlogging 10.0.
10.0. Good.
पूर्वी मैडम क्या है बोलने के लिए आपके पास?
Holy moly guys,
Today our waterfall.
way sawdong happen. Way sawdong happen.
Way to way sawdong guys.
Josie hi happen. Everybody hi happen. Apple chips happen. What? Josie J. Rest lagi tadi lo. Aku karena kasih ya besok. And finally we reached the way sawdong. Woo!
Holy moly guys, this is vlog 11.0. We coming from my Meghalaya falls. Everybody bhabar lagging now. Body cramps guys. Now we have a new driver, new simple driver. Driver 2.0. So now we going to some hotel hunt guys. Let's see where we can go and put our tents. नहीं तो लोटा लेके सो देंगे. Okay, see you on the other side.